Hi everyone, I'm Neha Joseph. Today I'm doing a data analysis on Netflix dataset which I have downloaded from Kaggle. In order to do the analysis, at first I have imported the necessary packages which includes pandas, numpy, seaborn, and matplotlib, and also linear regression from sklearn and train and test split from sklearn. Once I have imported the necessary packages, the next thing I have done is importing the dataset. And here we can see that the dataset contains certain columns like country code, country, total library size, number of TV shows, number of movies, and best cost per month for basic plan, and cost per month for standard plan, and cost per month for premium plan. The next thing is the data information. Here we could see that the first 10 head columns of the data and the data basic data informations like if are there any null values or the data types, so on. And once I got the information, the next thing I have done is to find the duplicate values and null values of the data set. And here we could see that you by using dataset dot duplicated dot sum, I got zero duplicated values. That is, the dataset contains zero duplicated values. And also by using is null dot sum, I was able to find out that there are no null values in the dataset. Once I was done with the duplicated values and the null values, the next thing I did was to separate the dependent variable and the independent variable. Here we are considering cost per month as the independent variable and y the total library size as the independent variable. After that, what I have done is to split the data into test and train for further analysis, and then I have done a linear regression model, and here I could find out the accuracy. And here we could see that the accuracy is 0.8 percentage and minus 0.48 percentage, which is not that good, which says that the x and y are not linear, or the x and y are not dependent to each other. Here we could see that even if the price was the cost per month for the basic plan was around $2, the the total size of the library was around 6,000 something, and even if the cost was around in between $8 to $10, the size of the total library size was least. So from this graph and from the accuracies, we could understand that there is no really linear relationship between the total cost of a basic plan and the total library size. After that, I have done the correlation map, and here we could see that we have used the heat map for the correlation matrix. And here from the correlation matrix, we could identify that the total library size is not correlated with the cost per month for basic plan, or cost per month for the standard plan, or cost per month for the premium plan. And same for all the plans, it is least correlated with the columns like the constraints like total library size, or the number of TV shows, or the number of movies. So from the graph and from the confusion matrix and from the accuracies, we could figure out that the number of the size of the library and the total cost are least correlated. And once that is done, the next thing I have done is the visualization. And here for the visualization, I have used the subplots, and I have sorted the values for cost per month, and for the premium, and for the standard, and for the basic plans. And once we have done the visualization, we got this graph, and here we could see that uh, the Netflix subscription cost for per month in different countries. And for Switzerland, it is the highest with around $30 for the premium plan, and around $20 for the base standard plan, and around $10-15 for the basic plan. And the least is for the Turkey, the country Turkey, with around less than $2 for the basic plan, and around $2.5 for the standard plan, and less than $5 for the premium plan. And that is a huge difference between Turkey and Switzerland for the basic cost for per month subscription. And the next graph I have plotted in order to get an idea about the Netflix subscription cost per month in different countries, that has the top 10 price. And the first one is the Switzerland, with more than $25 for the premium, and around $20 for the standard, and less than 15 for the basic, and which is followed by different countries like Germany, Ireland, Iceland, Spain, and so on. The next one is a bar graph, and here we have plotted the bar graph for the top 10 countries based on the basic plan. For that, we have used the group by function to understand the top 10 countries based on the basic plans. And here we have given a black color for the graph, and here we can see that Belgium is the country with a high rate of basic plan, and which is followed by Bulgaria and then Austria. And the next graph is to identify the 10 countries that has the lowest basic subscription fee. And here we could see that Turkey is the country with the least subscription fee, which is almost $2, and which is followed by India with almost $3, and which is followed by Argentina with almost $4. And that is end of the visualization and the analysis part. And from the data analysis, we could conclude that there seemed to be no relationship between the constraints, and also the Netflix pricing is not dependent upon the total size of the libraries or the number of movies which are available, but maybe it might be depend upon each country's economy. And also, if there were more data sets and more information, then it would have been better, and we could have obtained a better result and analysis. Thank you.